All right, so today we're going to talk about DNA fingerprinting. So a couple of things we need to talk about is what exactly is it? What is it used for? What about this DNA? So first we have to understand that in humans, no human, all right, has the same exact identical DNA except for identical twins. Right? And so we can use that, right, as a way of identifying individuals. Right? It's a form of testing. Just like a fingerprint, everybody has different fingerprints. Well, your DNA is different as well, except for, like I said, identical twins. And so we can use DNA fingerprinting to determine if a suspect, for example, is at a crime scene, or it can be used for different types of testing for relating relations. So if you're related to one person or to another. This is all based on the DNA and the DNA sequences. So how do they do this? Well, once again, it all comes back to gel electrophoresis. So the DNA is cut, all right, using restriction enzymes, all right. Gel electrophoresis, the DNA is put in the gel. The fragments are moved by the electric current, and you get these different bands. So gel electrophoresis is used to separate out these fragments by the size. This produces a series of DNA bands. So somebody that has the same DNA bands tells you a couple of things. It tells you that the DNA samples had the same amount of DNA, that they had the same fragment size, that's why they had the same bands, and that they're the same DNA molecule. So we use these bands to, like I said, to identify one organism to another, or to look at and see how one organism is similar or different genetically. So, DNA fingerprint.